बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं भी ठीक। तो आज मैं आपको अलवक्रा की सैर कराता हूँ। ठीक है, अलवक्रा में जहाँ जहाँ भी हम जाएंगे आपको वीडियो में नज़र आता रहेगा, और समुंदर पर भी लेकर चलेंगे। ठीक है ना, समुंदर पर भी, और काफ़ी आपको इस वीडियो में देखने को मिलेगा। आप वीडियो एंजॉय करें, मिलते हैं लास्ट पर।
When you go the other, now the this. No, inshallah, one day I get you just say last direct I go I don't take it. My friend, receiving money, you have accountability. Accountability, you see. No problem. No problem. No problem. Tomorrow, I will take you to office. No problem. Tomorrow I will take you to office. Saturday morning, you will raise your issue there, yeah? Yeah? Tomorrow morning, time you go office. Baru? My friend, carry what you have to say. Carry what you have to say. We chop your money, nothing you will do. Don't discuss us. We want to rest. Yeah, I'm so happy.
Kazi yako ni kama ni wewe unatoa pesa. Uzie kande. Season mchukue. Kuna wengi sana. Unanunua hadi katikati.
How do you cut your money?
And you are working double duty. Sunday and Monday. Very hard.
No problem. Tomorrow I'll take your office. Raise your company. Why should you know? I want you to raise your company. You want cash? I give you now cash. My friend, I can raise our dog. When I don't have I have nothing to eat like that.
You keep
Salam. Huh? Ki? Kima? Na manu ni. Ajur? हाँ हाँ जरूर जरूर ठीक है ठीक है यही चल रहा है सर ला ला चलो वो खराब है ला ला
Swimming it is good, but my friend,
You see, there's nothing here.
swimming it is better. But if it does not go to the hole like that, it will be better if you go swimming.
It's
Really? That is my friend is goes to the hole.
But I told you, my friend, nearly this water. I'm going to kill my wife.
Just need water in the shower. But concerning swimming,
Where my wife is being said water. Are you joking? Am I joking, man?
water. If not baby, I don't even remember it. You see, since the guy came here, even I've never went down to the place that touch it and that for the month now I've worked here.
That's it. That's it. Remove shoes, school for the shoes, for the legs.
I've never even
That's it.
even
It's that water, the salt water is the best for the legs. Because now you see, and then they start those nice. Your friends, they just came now.
all night we have not been shower.
Look at this now, like this.
I don't know if they have got inside. They are going to blast. It's fishermen.
It's not the fish like that.
Those ones are not allowed to go there. That's the main thing. They are not going to do so. Yeah. So that we don't
I never tell you what who I tell them now before they said so. When they said to my friend, it will be a big problem. Just go and tell them. When they said it will be a big problem, my friend. That's it.